Hello, everyone. Today I will be talking about Sorrento Therapeutics. I will be reading an article talking about their medications and looking at a price chart. Disclaimer: I am not a financial advisor or a replacement for one. I am not responsible for your gains or losses. I only present information and my opinion for entertainment and education purposes. Please use your own judgment and research before spending any money. Also, join my Facebook group and Twitter profile for financial updates about every day. If you have any questions, just put them in the comments below or email me. My email is teeninvestorfinance@gmail.com. Also, you can find many links in the description below if you would want to do more further due diligence, which I highly recommend. Do not forget to subscribe. Sorrento enters into merger agreement to acquire late-stage oncology company ACEA Therapeutics. This news came out April 5th, 2021, 9 a.m. Eastern Time. And ACEA's major assets include abivertinib in oral capsule form, a next-generation dual EGFR mutant and BTK inhibitor (BTKI) with a completed NSCLC registrational phase 3 trial, phase 1 B-cell lymphoma study, and ongoing phase 2 trials in COVID-19 patients with ARDS and phase 2 studies for prostate cancer, systemic lupus erythematosus, and the ultra-orphan indication of hairy cell leukemia. And AC0058, a brain-penetrating next-generation BTK inhibitor in a phase 1b lupus trial and IND-enabling studies for multiple sclerosis. And AC0939, a next generation FLT3 inhibitor, is near completion of IND enabling studies for potential CNS indications. A 1 million plus compound library of small molecules and proprietary discovery platform for screening and optimizing potent drug candidates for potential indications in oncology, autoimmune diseases, CNS diseases, and infectious diseases. A biopharma campus of over 23 acres of land with CGMP facilities for producing APIs and capsules for existing and future drug products, an experienced team of research development and manufacturing staff for global drug development. This company is really thorough and has a lot of small molecules, a bunch of medications. Sorrento Therapeutics Inc., Nasdaq SRNE, today announced the signing of a merger agreement pursuant to which Sorrento will acquire ACEA Therapeutics Inc. The acquisition will include late clinical stage drug abivertinib, clinical stage candidate AC0058, preclinical stage candidate AC0939, and ACEA's extensive proprietary library of small molecules, over 1 million compounds, which potentially have applications for numerous human disease indications, including non-small cell lung cancer, NSCLC, B-cell lymphomas, systemic lupus, rheumatoid arthritis, multiple sclerosis, and viral infections. These compounds are actively studied in clinical trials and or preclinical models to advance the most promising candidates rapidly to clinical stage of development. Abifertinib, a novel small molecule tyrosine kinase inhibitor (TKI) that selectively targets both the mutant form of the epidermal growth factor receptor (EGFR) and Bruton's tyrosine kinase (BTK), was originally identified from ACEA's compound library. Abivertinib has the potential to improve outcomes in resistant prostate cancer, systemic lupus erythematosus, and various B-cell lymphomas in addition to NSCLC, an indication for which a registrational phase 3 trial has been completed. It is currently being studied as a phase 2 treatment for COVID-19 induced respiratory compromise in the US and Brazil. A second clinical candidate, AC0058, is a next-generation BTK inhibitor currently in a phase 1b trial for lupus patients in the US, which can potentially be expanded to other autoimmune diseases such as multiple sclerosis. The acquisition will also include ACEA's state-of-the-art CGMP facility located in Quzhou, China, on a 23-acre campus with 5 buildings. This facility has successfully manufactured multiple batches of the active pharmaceutical ingredient API and final product in capsules for ibivertinib and AC0058 for clinical studies. The ACEA facility currently has capacity to manufacture up to 5,000 kilograms per year of APIs and 50 million capsules of final drug product. This is going to be great for producing Sorrento Therapeutics medications and the medications it's going to get from this merging. The ACEA Next Generation BTKI and other TKI small molecule drug candidates are highly synergistic with the Sorrento's board biological product pipelines and therapeutic antibodies, antibody drug conjugates, ADCs, autologous chimeric antigen receptor T, CAR-T, and allogeneic antigen receptor T, DAR-T, cell therapies, oncolytic viruses, and IL-2 immune modulators. The synergy will potentially enable Sorrento to develop many life-saving combinational drugs for difficult to treat human illnesses in oncology, autoimmune, and infectious diseases. They did sign a letter of intent on October 16th, 2020. And then the rest of the article is just about Sorrento Therapeutics and ACE Therapeutics. You can get more information about Sorrento Therapeutics at their website, www.sorrentotherapeutics.com. And for ACEA Therapeutics, you can do it at www.aceatherapeutics.com. And then it just has some forward-looking statements. Okay, the price of Sorrento Therapeutics as of April 5th, 11:40 a.m. is $8.55. It's up 227% this year. It had reached prices of $16 and $18, $19, but currently it's at a price of around $8.57. It did go up 7% at the news of the merging of oncology company ACEA Therapeutics. And its previous close, meaning yesterday, not yesterday actually, Thursday, because yesterday was weekend, was $8.01 per share. And the year range was $1.70 per share to $19.39 per share. The market capital is $2.4 billion. Volume is 11.05 million shares. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to subscribe. If you have any future suggestions for me on any stocks, then put it in the comments below.